Hello everyone, I want to show you how to install Epson Smart Panel app. Go to Play Store, then select apps and search. Type Epson Smart Panel, Epson Smart Panel, select on it, 4.5 stars, 433k reviews, 10 million plus download, select install. The app is downloading. The app is installing. The app is installed. Then select open. This is Epson Smart Panel. Then you select next. Then allow location this time. Then select next. Then it will search for nearby device. So this is how to install. Then go to permission, allow for nearby device, select allow. So this is Epson Smart Panel. Then you go on top and select add. Then for you to search for the product, set up a new product or connect a product already on the network. So this is Epson Smart Panel app. Thank you.